Sabrina Pethick, and I'm an underground mobile mechanical planner with Nutrien at the Vanscoy division. I go underground every day and I work primarily with the trades, and I plan repairs on equipment that all have 4 rubber tires, so scoop trams, scalers, bolters, Toyota trucks, club cars, gators, and I make sure that I plan the repairs to deliver a safe, reliable piece of equipment at the end of the day so the operations crew can go and actually mine the ore from underground. So every morning I go to work, I go underground at 6:30 a.m. and I come up at 2:30 p.m. Going underground is almost a kilometer underground, but you think about it, it's 3 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other, 3,400 feet. It's the coolest thing ever to go underground every single day and be able to experience that. But I go underground, I have a toolbox meeting with my great team, and I go back to my desk, plan repairs, order parts, deal with diverse teams, and put it all together for a weekly schedule that we try to attain and achieve, and do it all over again every single day. I grew up in a town of 4 people on a farm, and growing up you had a few different options as careers. You were a teacher, a doctor, a vet, a banker. That was kind of it. So when I went to the University of Saskatchewan, I was going to be in agriculture from a farming background, and I discovered that I did not enjoy soil science. That was going to be my major. So I switched into arts and science, and I have a history degree. But mining industry was way more lucrative and had more opportunities in it than history. So I applied for an administrative role at the Agrium at that time, potash mine, and got on in the expansion project, then transferred into maintenance, and that's where I really discovered that I loved planning. So being an organized person and getting to make these detailed plans every single day and delivering this product that was unconventional, but yet I'd never heard of it before. I didn't know what potash mining was, and it was just super exciting to be part of something that was this global giant of feeding the world. And that's how I got started, was in farming background, that botched career path, and then I got into planning because I found that that was my passion. So the training I took once I was embedded in the mine through PMAC, which through the U of S, the Edwards School of Business, which is Plant Engineering Maintenance Association of Canada. They have a program called MMP, which is the Maintenance Management Professional. I took that course once I was already working at the mine, and just continue to take more planning and scheduling courses as they've been provided, and you can take those anywhere throughout Canada, online or in person. Most recently going to the SMRP conference in North Carolina, and just getting to meet with like-minded individuals. People that would find the planning position really interesting would be people who are organized, driven, and like to make a plan, obviously, and stick to it. People who like to have a little bit of control of what goes on, because you're the plan builder. You tell them what to do, make suggestions of what to do, and people that get that warm, fuzzy, rewarding feeling when they see their plan come to fruition. The things that I love about my work is honestly the people and the environment that we work in every day, but it's that that sense of accomplishment at the end of the day, that you developed this plan, you've communicated it to the team, and then it actually comes through in the end. It's the greatest high that you could have, is like seeing your hard work come to light, right? If you have a piece of equipment that's been down and you've worked for days and weeks on end, planning it out and getting all the parts in and managing all the labor, and when it rolls out the door and you know that you've delivered that product to your client at the end of the day, it's just the best feeling ever. Career advice for a high school student is, don't bank on making your lifetime decision at 18, 19. You get out into the real world and you get experience in different areas of Saskatchewan, of the world, and that's when you kind of develop what you like, what you don't like. It's okay to change your mind and drift your path into a different direction than you initially would have thought that you would want, and work hard, like be the change that you want, and just be driven, and don't let anyone hold you back or say that you're not enough and that you can't do it. I'm not a trade, and historically planners were trades, mechanics, electricians. it just takes the right person to get in that niche area and be successful, and you can be successful too, as long as you put your mind to it, and you have a support system, a team that'll back you up. If you're interested in getting into the mining industry, don't be afraid to try, whether you're male or female. There's all kinds of programs out there that'll help assist you along the way. Don't let your self-doubts get in the way. The industry is open to all kinds of people and experiences, and the more experiences that you bring, the more valuable you are to the team.